In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy a page to another project in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, transferring pages between projects can save you significant time and effort. Let's dive into the process. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Make sure you're logged into your Webflow account. This is where you manage all your projects and access the tools you need. Once you're on the Webflow dashboard, look for the All Sites option. This button allows you to view all the projects you've created or have access to. Click on it to see a list of your sites. Now, from the list of projects, select the site that contains the page you want to copy. Clicking on the project will take you into the editor for that specific site, where you can make changes and manage your pages. Next, look to the left side of your screen and locate the Navigator panel. The Navigator is your go-to section for seeing the structure of your project, including all the pages and their elements. Click on the Navigator to open it. In the Navigator panel, you'll see a list of the pages that exist in your project. Find the page you wish to copy and right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. From the menu, select the Copy option. This will copy the entire page structure, including all the elements and styles, to your clipboard. It's a powerful feature that allows you to move complex designs without having to recreate them from scratch. Now, open a new tab in your browser. You'll need this to access your other Webflow project where you want to paste the copied page. Head back to webflow.com and from the dashboard, select the other project you're working on. Once you're in the editor of your second project, again, locate and click on the Navigator panel on the left. This is where you'll be pasting the page you just copied. Finally, in the Navigator panel of the new project, right-click where you want to insert the copied page and select Paste. The page you copied will now appear in your new project, complete with all its original elements and styles intact. And there you have it, a seamless way to copy a page from one Webflow project to another. By following these steps, you can efficiently reuse your designs, streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy designing.